Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akshita and you're watching Akshita's Glam. So, happy Diwali to everyone first of all. And in this video, I'm going to create this look. I hope you like this look, and I have created this look with very less products and I'm really loving it. It's going with my outfit. I hope you will also love. So, keep watching. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. अपना फेस प्राइम करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्राइम योर फेस एंड प्राइम इट प्रॉपरली. After that, I'm using Maybelline foundation Fit Me, and I'm in a shade 330. Cover your face properly with foundation and don't put very foundation. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं, बहुत कम भी नहीं. It should be look natural, and don't forget your neck because otherwise it will be looking mismatch. So don't forget your neck for sure. Contouring is optional. If आपको करना है तो आप कर सकते हो. I'm just doing it lightly because एक highlight आ जाए चेहरे पे. So yeah. Blend it properly with your beauty blender. For blush, I'm using my pink lipstick. I'm not going to use any other palette or something. I'm just using my pink lipstick and it looks natural and cute. Just tap it on your cheeks and keep smiling while you blend your cheeks, because when you smile, it blends properly to your cheeks. You can see it's not very heavy and not very darky. It's looking very light and cute. Now I'm taking loose powder to set my makeup. The loose powder is very important because it make your makeup last long, and it's very important. So don't forget to put your loose powder on your face after your makeup. Now I'm using shimmery highlighter palette from Nykaa, and it was very pigmented, so I'm going to put it very little bit on my face, the high points of my face, and
it's really look awesome. I really love this shimmery palette from Nika. You can also buy this. I'll link in description, so you can go and buy this palette. The eye makeup, and I'm using Maybelline Corosol mascara. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline eyeliner, and I really love Maybelline products. I am going to create wink eyes, and it's really looking awesome, guys. I really love this. Kajal I'm using, it's also of Maybelline, and it's really optional. I'm just shading out the eyes of my corner eyes, and I'm just shading. It's really option. If you want to do, you can. So the favorite part is my lipstick. I really love putting lipsticks, and for lipstick I'm using Wonderpuff lipstick from Nika, and the shade is bridge red maroon type, and it really look awesome. Without bindi, the look is incomplete. So yeah.
I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, just go below and subscribe it fast, because it will make me happy and make my Diwali happy. If you're subscribing, go. If you're watching this video right now, just go below and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and keep watching. Bye bye. Take care.